Hello everyone. In this video we will study fifth chapter of this book. Fifth chapter of this book is let's find out. What we have to find out? So first we will read these all. Anita. Anita says, I am Anita. Ravi, smiling, I am Ravi. Then Anita says, what is this? Ravi says, it is a ball. Anita, let's play. Then they says, what are these? Rima says, these are kites. I love kites. Do you also love kites? Very good. Now Dev says, happily, let's fly them. Then Rita says, where is my doll? Is it on my bed? Seema, no, it isn't. Rita says, is it in the dollhouse? Seema says, no, it isn't. Then Rita, smiling, look, there it is. It is on the chair. So doll was on the chair. Seema, let's play. So all started playing. Now we will do question answer. Fill in the blanks correctly with the help of words given in the brackets. Read these sentences loudly after completing them. So what you have to do, you have to pick the correct word from this bracket and then you will fill here, and after filling it you have to read this sentence properly. So it is a, what will be the correct, ball or apples? So it will be ball. Ball is correct option, you pick here and write it is a ball. Read also it is a ball. Then we fly dash. We fly dolls or kites. We fly kites. The doll is on the dash. The doll is on the chair. Now some questions are there that we will do in copy, and here also this question you do in book only. Pick the correct sentence about Rita. So she keeps her doll in its place. No. She likes to play with her doll but does not keep it in its place. Yes, this is the right answer. Because of that only she was not getting her doll. She does not like her doll but keeps it on its place. No, she was not doing like that. So now we will do some questions in copy also. So everyone take out your copy and start writing. Now see, fill in the blanks correctly with the help of words given in the brackets. Whatever these questions you have already done in book, then also once you do in copy, read these sentences loudly after completing it. So ball was correct option, you have to write here ball, B-A-L-L. Now we fly kites. Kites you will write C-I-T-E as kites. The doll is on the chair. So chair is correct option and chair you have to write also. Now what is the question? Next question, question number 2. So question number 2 is who has a ball? So who has a ball? So you have to write the answer. So answer you write Ravi. Ravi has a ball. Ravi has a ball. Now so third is what does Rita look for? So Rita looks for her doll. Answer you write Rita looks for her doll. Rita looks for her doll, full stop. Now next question, that will be think and answer. So think and answer. First question is, how do we know that Rima loves kite? Write the sentence that tells us. Means you have to see in which sentence you feel that Rima loves kite. So we know that you will write like this. Answer, we know that Rima loves kites because she says I love kites. Because what she says? Because she says I love kites. Then now you full stop. Now tick the correct sentence about Rita. So same, she likes to play with her doll but does not keep it in its place. This one is correct, that you have done already in your book. Now last question of this chapter is, why do you think Rita and Seema look for the doll? So you have to write like this. Rita and Seema look for the doll because they want to play with it. Right? Now questions are over. Now what you have to do? Grammar part. Special names. Persons, places, things and animals have names but they have special names. Also, like person's name can be Ravi, Anita, places name can be Red Fort, Delhi. So these all are special names of persons and places. Now what you have to do? You have to circle the special names in the following sentences. So first is Manu the monkey is sad. What you have to do? You have to circle the name. Manu is the name of monkey. You circle Manu. Second, Soha is a beautiful girl. Soha is a special name of a girl. That Soha you have to circle. Now third, Mr. Sarma is a pilot. So Mr. Sarma you circle only Sarma. Okay, is a pilot, and Rani is a good girl. So you circle Rani. Lotus, the Lotus temple is in Delhi. Circle Lotus temple. You can circle Lotus temple. Lotus only you circle. Rima loves kite. Rima you have to circle. Now one and more than one means that we call singular and plural. So one means singular and more than one means plural. So look at the pictures and read the words written below the pictures. To show more than one things, we add s or es to the words. Like this, one boy, two boys, one glass, three glasses. Write how many things you see in each picture. So here you see pictures are given. I see how many boys? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 boys. I see one ball. Ball only you have to write, not balls. I see 3 girls. 1, 2, 3. I see one horse, and I see 2 kittens. 1, 2. Now some words means some that words are there that when to use. We say please when we ask someone to do give something for or to us. So what you have to do whenever we use please, whenever you ask someone to do something or you give something, then we use please. Please show me your plane. Of course, I will. I am sorry, I cannot do it. So when you are not able to do the things, then we say sorry. Please give me your pencil. So here it is. I am sorry, I do not have a pencil. If you don't have, then you can use this. I am sorry, I do not have a pencil. So now work in pairs, and you can practice this. One will ask for a toy, and then for a book you can ask to show a new dress. You can ask someone to show a new book. So these things you can do practice. Now you read these all words are given. Red, BED bed, FED fed, LED led, PE and pen, HE and hen, PE and ten, ME and men, GET jet, JET jet and GET get, and ET net, PET pet. Now read these aloud. Cat, pan, sad, car, jar, park. Now what you have to do? You have to do this one. So this before doing this you have to see the page number 112. On 112 page you will see something, and according to that you have to tick teacher in first and round in second. Why you have to do? So once you can see also page number 112. Let's see page number 112 here, and chapter 5 this. So who teaches children? So teacher will be, is a cricket bat ball round or flat? So it will be round. Ball will be round. Can you fly? You can fly? No. Third will be no, and fourth is what is the taste of chocolate? So this will be sweet. Here no, and here sweet. Now the magic grid has names of 6 means of transport. Find these names and color them. Write them with the correct pictures. What you have to do? You have to find out the names of means of transport. This one is bicycle, Bicycle. Bicycle, and bicycle spellings are here. You have to circle. Then BOAT boat. Then BUS bus. Boat, BOAT boat is here. BUS bus is here. SHIP ship. Ship is here. And aeroplane, AEROPLANE. Aeroplane is here. Now what you will do? You will do this page also. Use A or E to complete these words. So TEACHER, teacher. So EAE. These 3 letters are missing. You have to write here. Second is children. So which letter is missing? E. Shopkeeper, double E, and then P already given. Then E. GOAT, goat. Now look at this picture. Look at the picture and answer the questions. Use words given in the box to answer. What you have to do? You have to use these all words in answers. Some questions are there. You see. Question: what is on the tree? What is on the tree? So cat is on the tree. A cat is on the tree. So you have to write here cat. CAT. What does the boy have? Answer is the boy has a teddy bear. So teddy bear spelling TEDDY, teddy, and BEAR, bear, teddy bear. Who is on the swing? Who is on the swing? You see once? Yes. A girl is on the swing. Who is the lady near the pram? So the baby's mother is near the pram. Okay. Thank you.